Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning series. Today, we'll learn how to use pronouns in daily sentences to make our English smoother and more natural. Pronouns are words that replace nouns in a sentence. They help us avoid repeating names or things again and again. Common pronouns include I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. We use pronouns all day in conversation. Examples: She is my sister. They are my friends. It is raining. We are going home. Pronouns make sentences short and clear. Wrong. Me and John went home. Correct. John and I went home. Remember, use subject pronouns properly. Try this. Maria is my friend. Maria is kind. Replace Maria with a pronoun. Answer: She is my friend. She is kind. Practice daily. Pronouns help you speak naturally and avoid repetition. Use them daily in speaking and writing to improve faster. If you enjoyed this lesson, like the video, subscribe, and keep learning English with us. See you in the next lesson.